Get on.
Please get on the bus.
Please get on the bus.
I am getting on the train.
I am getting on the train.
Get off.
I must get off the bus at the next stop.
I must get off the bus at the next stop.
Get off the train at the next station.
Get off the train at the next station.
Put on.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your coat.
Put on your coat.
Take off.
Take off your sock.
Take off your sock.
He takes off his jacket when he gets home.
He takes off his jacket when he gets home.
Run away.
The people had run away when the storm came.
The people had run away when the storm came.
You can't just run away from the situation.
You can't just run away from the situation.
Come off.
A bag had come off my back.
A bag had come off my back.
His hair began to come off.
His hair began to come off.
Take out.
Don't forget to take out the garbage.
Don't forget to take out the garbage.
How many teeth did the dentist take out?
How many teeth did the dentist take out?
Look after.
Can you help look after a man?
Can you help look after a man?
Please look after my luggage for a minute.
Please look after my luggage for a minute.
Grow up.
She will grow up into a beautiful girl.
She will grow up into a beautiful girl.
All plants like to grow up towards the sunlight.
All plants like to grow up towards the sunlight.
Tear up.
Why did you tear up that letter?
Why did you tear up that letter?
Just tear up the contract and be done with it.
Just tear up the contract and be done with it.
Pick up.
Pick up the present.
Pick up the present.
Can you pick up the pen for me?
Can you pick up the pen for me?
Fill in.
Fill in your full name and address.
Fill in your full name and address.
I forgot to fill in the date on the document.
I forgot to fill in the date on the document.
Get up.
He finds it very difficult to get up early.
He finds it very difficult to get up early.
It's time to get up.
It's time to get up.